my channel. I'm Megha Chopra, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I remove my facial hair or how I shave my face, because I prefer shaving over waxing, and in this video I'm going to show you why and the merits of shaving your face and much more. So if you want to see or learn how to shave your face, I am gonna show you how I prefer shaving my face. I'm not saying that it is the correct way or the perfect way, but this is how I like to do it. So if you want to see that how I do it or how I shave my face, then let's get started with the video. Okay, so first of all I'm just gonna rid off hair from my face because ऐसे नहीं होता फिर. Okay, so I have absolutely no makeup on, like nothing. I didn't even apply any kind of moisturizer, nothing. Okay, so starting off with, you have to keep your face wet. You can even use aloe vera gel or any kind of moisturizer, anything, but water works fine as well. This is rose water. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. Okay, so now that your face is wet, your face is prepped for shaving, what I'm gonna do is, this is a razor that you can get at any beauty shop or even at Amazon for really affordable price. So you have to just get this one and just remove the lid, and you have to be really careful. आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है, like you don't have to hurt yourself. So keep it really, hold it with really light hand, and with one hand just stretch your face and just in sliding motion start trimming your hair. And as you can see, it didn't only remove my facial hair, but also it removed the dead skin cells. That's the only reason I prefer shaving over waxing or any other hair removal method, because my skin is really sensitive, be it my skin or face skin. It's like really sensitive. I get allergic really soon, but this is really great way. Okay, so as you can see that it didn't only it didn't only remove my facial hair, but also it removed a layer of dead skins. So that's why I prefer shaving, because I do makeup on a like regular basis. So this helps to apply foundation like really seamlessly, and any which ways अगर hair होते हैं तो एक barrier बन जाता है. And again I'm saying it out loud that removing hair isn't choice, and I just like to do it. That it's absolutely okay if you don't like to remove it. So I like to do my brows by this technique only, because I like thick brows and I prefer it doing myself only. And I have to say one more thing कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आता है, does your hair grow back thicker and all. No, it doesn't grow back thicker. It's just like it's gonna grow any which ways. अगर आप remove करोगे तो it's gonna come. And same like आप अगर even आप अगर कोई क्रीम भी यूज़ करो, जिससे हेयर रिमूवल क्रीम्स होते हैं, उसके बाद भी अगर आप यूज़ करो तो हेयर वापस आते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाट, लाइक जब वो आते तो थोड़े से हार्ड लगते हैं, बट लाइक दैट्स कॉमन. So it didn't grow back like thicker or anything thicker or blacker. No, I've been doing this for like an year and a half, and trust me, it works amazingly. The only thing you have to keep in mind, बिल्कुल भी ये तो force करके नहीं करना है. Like with very light hand and stretch your face, stretch the skin where you want to shave it, and just do it like can you see that from where I'm holding it, like from बहुत दूर से. अगर आप पास से पकड़ोगे एंड एकदम पूरे ऐसे करोगे तो इट्स गोना लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर लग जाएगा, एंड यू मे कट योर सेल्फ. सो लाइक बहुत दूर से, एंड देन जस्ट लाइक slowly you have to do it. So I'm gonna just show you that how I do my brows as well, because why not. You have to be really careful while doing your brows. I just remove extras, nothing else. Like that's what I do, like legit what I do. And I'm done. I'm just gonna face my wash. Very good. I'm just gonna wash my face, come back and show you what I do post, like what I do after just washing my face to take care of my skin so that it doesn't get dry. I'll be right back. Okay, so you can clearly see how my skin is looking, like it's looking really clean. To be really honest, मुझे और कुछ नहीं होती कि मैं ऐसी थी और मैं ऐसी हो गई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just like you will feel that your skin is more clear, nothing else, and this feels good. Okay, so this is, I just moisturize my face really well. I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel, and I'm just gonna take a heavy amount of it, like a large amount of it, and just moisturize my face and nothing else. लाइक मसाज अच्छे से, लाइक सर्कुलर मोशन में, ताकि आपकी स्किन के अंदर ये बहुत सिंक इन हो जाए. Okay, so I hope that I can help you, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share this video, and I would really recommend doing it. But before you do it for the first time, try doing a test, because you never know कि आपको किससे एलर्जी हो जाए. Like you never know how a product is gonna suit your skin or not. So yeah, just take care of that, and no, the hair doesn't grow back thicker or blacker. Trust me, I've been doing it for like a year. So I hope that it was a useful video, and stay happy, keep smiling and stay safe. Bye.